Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. So this video is on ticker symbol MMAT, which is for metamaterials, and you can see that it was up 2%, but there was a nice squeeze in the morning and it came down. So anyway, in this particular video I want to talk about MMAT, the price action, the support, resistance, what is happening, option chain activity, also some other news, and I hope that you will like this video. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my Patreon community. You can see I have a Patreon, so becoming a member you will get access to my Discord community, and on Discord community we talk about a lot. You can see we talk about day trading, swing trading, option activity, crypto, so many different things. And this is the notification you can see during the day, pre-market, after hour. I do a lot of posts with support, resistance, trade ideas, so that you can pick a stock, you can do your own trading, and we can all make some money. So if you want, give a try. If you like YouTube, there is another option. You can also go to YouTube and you can join the YouTube community and become a member. Almost the same thing, but again I prefer Discord because you will get instant notification. At the same time you can chat with me also. But anyway, it's up to you. From last week we had some big winners like BBIG, SPRT, MMAT, PTBT, Zilla, Neo, SGOK, and so on. Anyway, so in this video I want to talk about MMAT. So let's talk. So first of all, you can see the chart. It was up by 2.4%, but what happened in the morning? It went way higher, then came down, and after hours I was alerting on my Discord that okay, this will go high, it will go probably around 6.6, 6.7, and the same thing happened. Then it came down, but the good thing is now it is moving sideways and it is maintaining the 5.4 level, which is really bullish if you are thinking long term and the overall direction. So I will definitely talk about the price action, so many things I want to talk, but before that I want to show you something else before I start talking. So if you look at the volume, so the average volume is 23 million, but last Friday's volume was 85 million, almost 3 to 4 times more volume came, which is really healthy for this particular stock. If you look at some other things, the price action, you can see that the volume is coming more and more. If you look between July to September 3rd, you can see now we have more volume compared to before, and last 2 days we have even higher volume. So things are looking really nice, and that is why I'm really bullish, because if there is more volume coming, things will be changed. Because you see, if instead of 82, if we get 100 million, 150 million more volume is coming, the price action will go higher and higher, and you can see that how volume impacts the price for MMAT. If I go to Fintel, few things I wanted to try, but I don't have the subscription, so I don't see. But one thing is the shares, short shares availability, currently it is showing 0, which is really good. Also some other information, but not very useful. So let's go to Reddit, because I found one post which is 2 days ago. I don't have the latest information, so if you have it, please write in the comment section. But anyway, just before 2 days, what I can see that the short interest was increased by 2%, and the current short interest is around 9.4%. If I look the cost to borrow, it is around 3.5%. If you talk about short interest ratio, it's not like 50%, 60% like SPRT or BBIG, still not that high. Also the cost to borrow is not like 70-80%, which is still very low. So in that case, you can say this is not a good candidate for a squeeze, but when you look at the chart, I think you will see how gradually it is going higher and higher, which is really good for the stock. But again, not like hot cake like SPRT, BBIG, those kind of thing. But as long the price is going higher, you are making money. This is the most important thing to me. Now let's look at the option chain activity. I want to show you something. So the 17th of September call option activity I'm showing you here, and you can see that for 5, 6, 7, 8, for those strike price, lots of call volume, and also lots of calls that is still open, not traded yet. So they are really bullish for this to go to $6, $7, $8. Keep that in mind. 8 strike price sometime maybe does not make sense. They are not expecting $8. Maybe many people bought this call option because this is really cheap, only $50 for one call option. Whenever the price of the share will go to $7, their premium will be like $100 or $150, so they will just sell and make the profit, and they will just get out. So this is one thing, and if you want to take a chance, you can always buy a out of the money call option, just spending $65 or $50, and if you are lucky, if MMAT goes higher, you will make money, and the call options are not very expensive. If you look at the put side, I also see some put around $3, $4, $5, but one thing I want to show you here, that just look at the ratio between put and call. So 27% options are put and 63, right? Yeah, 73. So 73% options are call options. So again, the call options are way higher. If from September I go to October 15, I think you will see the same thing here. So the 5 strike price, 6 strike price, look at the volumes, right? So they are betting big on MMAT. Even at 18 strike price, I see some call options waiting. If I look at the ratio, this is even more interesting, because 15% options are put and 85% are call options. So they are betting big for MMAT for going higher. Now let's have a look why people are thinking. So this is the daily chart, daily candles, and you can see it made a nice consolidation between $3 and I would say $4. Let's say between 3 to 4, lots of days of consolidation, and after the rectangular consolidation, finally it is breaking out. Look at the daily RSI. It was moving sideways for so long, and now it is going higher, and the RSI is on an uptrend. Currently it is right at 69.70. Anything over 70 is overbought. So if you look at prior history, whenever it went to 77, 80, 90, it came down. It needs to come down. So it might push another day or two, then there should be a pullback. It can go each and every day, right? Keep that in mind. Look at the daily MACD. Look at the daily MACD. What happens? The buying pressure is increasing. Whenever the buying pressure increases, you see more green bars. Then the green bars start to fade and more selling pressure. So what we can see, that the selling pressure has decreased and more buying pressure has come for last so many days. Each candle is for one day. So now we see more buying pressure. So the green bars are going higher and higher. At one point you might see the green bars will start to fade. It means that the buying pressure is decreasing, but for now looking really nice. Now I want to go back to the chart and I want to show you something. So first of all, breaking through the 3.7 was a very important level, and whenever it broke through, I alerted on my community for day traders and for swing traders that this thing will go higher. So we had some few target around 4.1, 4.4, and it played really nicely. It went to 4.4, came down, we got in again 4.1. You can see 4.4 was another resistance. Again it pushed towards 5.4. After market we are saying next day it might run big, it can go to 6.6, and I was so lucky it went to 6.6 and came down, and still it is not over. So it might come back to 5.4 again, and if it can hold 5.4 as a new support, I would say this is a good thing, because if you think about the support, this is support number 1 around 3.7, the next support is around 4.4. Now if it can build a new support around 5.5, then you can see it is going up step by step. It's not like a squeeze first day and the next day it's a big dump. So it is going higher, which is really good, as long it can maintain 5.4, or if you want to start a new position, I think 5.4 could be a nice one. But in case it comes below, you can also think about 4.8, this area. I think if it can maintain the momentum, it might move towards the next one, 6.6, which was previously tested. Once 6.6 is broken, I think the next destination will be around 7.5. We have something around $8, then we have 9, and we know at one point it was $22. So anyway, I will cover MMAT, so I do not want to talk more than $9, $10. As long the share price will go higher, I will cover, and make sure you are subscribed so you know what is happening. Now I'm moving back to 15-minute chart just to show you what is happening, and looking at the RSI moving flat. The selling pressure has decreased, more buying pressure is coming, but again on a 15-minute candle. So look at here, in the morning lots of volume came, with the day not a big red bar, but it was slowly bleeding, came down, and now the volumes are consistent. Also the price is consistent. But the good thing is, if you look at the RSI, I think it is going slightly higher from 46 to 58. I won't say very big deal, but from the price action you can see that it came and found the floor, around 5.2. So if we are planning to enter for this particular one, I would say look around this area, which is around 5.2, because 5.2 was a resistance, then it became a support. So 5.4 and 5.2 could be a nice entry for day traders or even swing traders, but keep that in mind, you always have to use a stop loss. Otherwise, if 5.4 is held strong, I think this thing will go towards the next leg, which will be around 5.7, 5.6, and we know the 6.6 level. Anyway, very exciting. The most important thing, look at the volume, look at pre-market condition and what is happening. I also want to show you the pre-market volume and everything. Sometimes you don't see any movement pre-market and suddenly it booms. So here you see pre-market, the volume is less. Once the market is open, then all volume comes. Same thing, look at the pre-market and the volume comes and goes higher. On TradingView, it is showing at after hour we are little down, we are around 5.3, but again I'm not worried because this is a 3-day long weekend, so it makes sense if it comes down. If it comes down to 5.2, I think you can start a position here. At the same time, be prepared to add more if it comes to $5 or even below. Anyway, a very good one. We are making money on this one, day trading, even on swing trading, because when it was around 2.7, 2.8 on my community, I said this is a good one because you see it was the all-time low. I was predicting 2.7, but I think it came around 2.8. But anyway, nice entry from 2.8. If it goes to $6, you have already doubled your money. Anyway, if you want to get this kind of live notification and during the day, you don't have to wait for my YouTube videos. You can join my Patreon, you can join my Discord, and you will get live notification what is happening, should you get in, should you get out. Anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my community and let's make money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.